second question, is it okay to make the bed before morning prayers?
Yes. It's actually it's a very good question. So it says in Shulchan Aruch that one is not allowed to engage in his own or her own business before person prays. But this is actually to respect or to make for example, if person is going to pray in his bedroom or her bedroom, there is no problem. You're allowed to pray in your bedroom, right? So it would be actually like a respect to the place when you're going to make your bed. Yeah. So it's actually like in honor of the prayer. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.